How to log in Chase Bank online account. Hey everybody, this is Meena from Create Login Delete. So today let's get started. Open up your web browser in your PC and at the top search bar type in www.chase.com and click on enter. Once you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now to get logged into your account, go ahead and click on sign in. At this section, enter your username. Likewise, enter your password at this box. If you would like this site to remember your username, then click on Remember Me. Once done, if you would like to use a token to sign in, click on Use Token. Just like so, in case you have forgotten your username or password, go below Forgot Username/Password and get help resetting your account. Once you're all done, go ahead and click on Sign In to get logged into your account. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.